Good evening, students. In your board exam, you will be given an answer sheet. In that answer sheet, front page will be OMR based. So, how to fill up this OMR based front page of your answer sheet, that one I am going to show you. Now, this one, for example, I have taken one admit card of some another students. You can see in your admit card, every information will be written. First is roll number, then date of birth, then school number, center number, then your roll number in words, everything, your mother name, your father's name, yours name, everything it is written, subjects. Now this is, that student is going to give only one exam, that's why here only written one exam, one subject name. In your exam, in your admit card, there will be 6 subjects, okay. Now this is the OMR based front page of your answer sheet. Exactly same front page will be there in your answer sheet. Now how to fill this? Maximum students are doing mistakes in filling this OMR based because of exam pressure, anxiety. So you will be given 15 to 20 minutes of time to fill up this. So don't take any pressure. You have to fill it slowly, and remember that if you make any mistake, there will be no replacement. Now first say here what is written? Subject. So you have to write the subject as per the admit card. Now in your admit card, what subject is written? Mathematics basic. So as it is, we will write mathematics Don't write only mathematics. You have to write mathematics basic. Those who have taken standard, you will write standard. Clear? Mathematics basic. Okay. Next is subject code. Now subject code also it is written in your admit card nearby the subject name. Now basic subject code is 241. So we will write subject code as 241. Next is what written? Day and date of the examination. First you need to write day, then you need to write the date. Remember that. Now it is written. Now here it is written, see, date is written 10/3/2025, means 10th March of 2025. This one is last year's admit card. Now on that date, which day was there, you have to mention the day. Now here suppose for example I am taking Monday. Then what we will write? First you need to write the day. Then suppose Monday. And then you have to write the date. So give comma, then date was 10th March 10/3/2025. As it is, you have to write from the admit card. Next it is written medium of answering the paper. Now in your case, except Bengali exam, all the exams you will write in English language. So medium of answering the paper will be your English for every exam other than Bengali. In Bengali exam you will write here Bengali, because Bengali exam you will be given Bengali. Next is written, write code number as written on the top of the question paper. Now here I am taking same last year question paper, that is of mathematics basic. Now same like this question paper will be given to you. In the right corner of the question paper you will see there is written set and then question paper code. Okay. So whatever code is written as it is you need to write, whatever set number is written as it is you need to write. Now here code is written, you can see 430/2/2. So same we will write code number 430/2/2, and then set number it is written 2. Then here for set number, see, they have given 1 2 3 4 and then circle is there, so you have to color the circle with your pen fully like this. As here it is set number 2, so we have to circle 2. Clear? After that it is written number of supplementary answer book used. That one you have to fill in the last before submitting the paper. If you are taking any extra sheet, then how many extra sheet you are taking, that number you need to write. Suppose you are taking only one extra sheet, so you will write 1. And then if you are not taking any extra sheet, then no, nil, like this you can write. Next is person with benchmark disabilities. So I think in our school nobody is having any disability, so for everybody it will be no, 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 no. Next also it is benchmark disabilities will be no. Then same code of disability, so no so if you are not disabled, then there will be no code, so it will also be no. After that, whether writer provided, no, you will write by yourself only. Then next is if visually challenged, name of software used, nobody is visually challenged, so no. Clear? After that we will go to here. Now here what is written? First written candidate's name in capital letters, so you have to first write your name in capital letter. Now whose admit card I am following, see here candidate's name is written Hardik Gaikwar, so same name we will write here. Spelling is Hardik, so we will write Hardik. After that, one box you need to keep space, then you will write the surname. Surname is what? Gaikwar. Spelling is Gaikwad. Gaikwad. Now here you will write your own name. After that you have to give circle. Now see, first alphabet is H. Now in this column you have to circle only H. That one you have to do very carefully. Now where is H? H is here, so you have to circle it properly. Your pen ink should not go outside the circle, or it should not be half. Like this, suppose A, next alphabet is your A, so here you will color only A. So some will do like this. This is not the proper way. See, this is not fully covered, so you have to fully cover it with ink. Next alphabet is your R. So similarly, you have to fill all these alphabets. After that, it is D. So like this, you have to fill up your name. See, H, then A, then R, then D, then I, then K. Where you have written which alphabet alongside, you have to check properly, and then you have to circle it properly. After that, we will go to here what is written? Roll number. Now same roll number from here you will write from the admit card. In your admit card, see, roll number is written 11. See, this one is the roll number 11136244. Okay, so same roll number we will going to write here 11136244. 11136244. Okay. So same way we have to fill up the roll number also. Same here 1. Now see here, remember that 0 is in the last. So starting is 1. So same way we will circle 1. Then next also properly you have to circle. Then next also 1. After that again 1. Okay, so like this you have to fill your roll number. Next, it is written subject code. Subject code already we have written what? 241. So same subject code you will write here 241, and then again same way you have to make it circle 2 4 1. Next is center number. Now center number, again it is written in your admit card. See, center number. Here it is written 810167. Exactly in the same position you will see in your admit card. There is written center number. Whatever is written, you have to write it. 810167. So 810167. Same process, you have to circle it. 7. Remember that while doing this circle, you have to be very careful, because if you one time if you will do, you cannot erase, you cannot use whitener, nothing is you can use. Okay, so be very careful. Next is, again here you need to write subject. The subject is what? Mathematics basic. If space is not that much, then you can write in small letter also, no issue. Then here it is written school number. Again school number you have to write from your admit card. See, in your admit card here all are written 99999. In your admit card whatever it will be written, you have to write as school number. So school number 99999. After that it is written again roll number, but in words. Again you have this one also you will get in your admit card. See, in words, here it is written roll number in words. 1,11,36,244 only. Okay, as it is you need to write. So this crore, lakh, thousand, these things it is already written in your admit card. Crore, lakhs, thousand, that one no need to write. Only this blank you need to write. So what you will write? 1,11 lakh. Okay, so same here what you will write? 1 crore, then 11 lakh. After that what was there? 36,000. So it will be 36,000. After that 244 only. $244 only. Okay. Next is written father's or guardian's name. So obviously you have to write your father's name. Same father's name also what is written in your admit card, as it is you need to write. That is Vijay Gaikwar. So same we will write. Okay, after that it is written signature of candidate. That means your signature, but don't give any initials. You have to write your full name in running hand. Now what is the name of that candidate? This is Hardik Gaikwar. So you have to signature normally in running hand, not in capital letter, not initial. Like this. Only this much. After that downside there is written signature of assistant superintendent. That one teacher have to take care. There is no work for you. Your work is only up to this much. Okay, if any confusion is there, whoever invigilator will be there, you ask them before writing. Remember that answer sheet will not be replaceable and you cannot use any whitener. Okay, and if any problem is there further, you can contact with me. Thank you. Good night.